Take a look at this, a burst of life, captured forever. See the marigolds? Fiery reds and glowing oranges layered in delicate petals, standing tall with confidence. Behind them, the garden blurs into a soft, painterly green, making the flowers almost float with brilliance. This isn't just a flower photo, it's an invitation. A reminder to pause, breathe, and notice the extraordinary in the ordinary. Imagine this on your wall, in your living room, your workspace, even in a cafe. It fills the space with joy and warmth. It's more than decor. It is a conversation starter, a mood lifter, a spark of nature's abundance brought indoors. Zen by Ren, where stillness meets brilliance. Bring this energy into your world.